that, that.
Used after some verbs, nouns, and adjectives to introduce a new part of a sentence.
She said that she'd collect it for me after work. Is it true that she's gone back to teaching? We'll be there at about 7:30, providing that there's a suitable train. Those.
Used to make a connection with an earlier statement.
My usual train was cancelled. That's why I'm so late. She tricked him, and that's what really upset him.
Speaker, speaker.
Speaker, speech, speak, speechless.
The part of a radio, CD player, etc. which the sound comes out of.
I bought some new speakers for my CD player. Pale, pale.
Light blue or green or yellow, etc.
She wore a pale blue hat. Useful, useful. Use, user, misuse, usefulness, use, misuse, useful, useless.
Helping you to do or achieve something.
Useful information or advice. A good knife is probably one of the most useful things you can have in a kitchen.
Everyone, everyone.
Everybody.
Every person.
Everyone agreed with me. Everyone involved in the accident has been questioned by the police. Would everyone who wishes to attend the dinner let me know by Friday afternoon?
Which, which.
Which?
Used to ask or talk about a choice between two or more things.
Which of these do you like best? Which is the best way to the station?
Used at the beginning of a relative clause to show what thing is being referred to.
These are problems which we all know about. You know that little Italian restaurant, the one which I mentioned in my letter.
Advice, advice.
Advice, advisor, advise.
Suggestions about what you think someone should do or how they should do something.
Stephen gave me some good advice. I think I'll take your advice and get the green dress. Can I give you a piece of advice? Timetable, timetable.
A list of the times and days of lessons at a school, college, etc.
The first lesson on the timetable for Monday morning is history.
A map, a map. Map, map.
A picture that shows where countries, towns, roads, rivers, etc. are.
A map of the world. A map of Paris. A road map.
Shame, shame.
Shame, ashamed, shameful.
If you describe something as a shame, you are disappointed that it has happened.
It's a real shame to waste all this food. What a shame that they had to destroy such a beautiful building.
Fourth. Fourth.
Fourth written as a word.
My birthday is on the 4th of December. Daniel finished 4th in the race.
Discuss. Discuss.
Discussion, discuss.
To talk about something with someone and tell each other your ideas or opinions.
Have you discussed this matter with anyone else?
Return. Return.
Return. Return.
To go or come back to a place where you were before.
He returned to Nigeria in 2009. I won't return from my holiday till May. She left Sweden at the age of 25 and never returned.
To give, send, or put something back where it came from.
I have to return the book by Friday. He immediately returned the records to the files. The new TV broke, so they returned it to the shop.
Tights. Tights.
Tights. Tights.
A piece of women's clothing made of very thin material that covers the legs and bottom.
A pair of tights.
Cooker. Cooker.
Cooker. Cooker. Cook. Cooker. Cooking. Cook.
A large box-shaped device which is used to cook and heat food either by putting the food inside or by putting it on the top.
A gas or electric cooker.